And today, a federal judge sided with United Launch Alliance in a lawsuit over its COVID-19 vaccination policy for employees. News 19's Hunter Drinker has been digging into the court documents here. So, Hunter, what have we learned on this so far?
Well, Greg, U.S. District Judge Abdul Cologne says the 5 ULA employees who sued over the denial of their religious exemptions did not prove that they're entitled to any court-ordered action on the mandate. Hunter Krieger, Benjamin Eastman, Sherry Main, Lance Norwood, and Zachary Breland all say their religious exemption requests were denied by ULA officials. 2 of them also filed medical exemptions, one for anxiety, one stating she had natural immunity to the virus. Both of those requests were also denied. The aerospace company started requiring its employees to be vaccinated against COVID-19 in order to comply with President Joe Biden's vaccine mandate for federal contractors. Several employees of the company protested that decision, and some of them were placed on unpaid administrative leave. In the lawsuit, the employees said that the denial of their requests violated Title VII of the Civil Rights Act, the Americans with Disabilities Act, and Alabama state law. In responding to the Civil Rights Act and ADA claims, the judge said today that employers are only required to provide accommodations under those acts if the accommodations do not put an undue burden on the business. The judge said that with ULA being a federal contractor and many of its clients requiring vaccinated workers, providing those accommodations would potentially mean they would lose out on being awarded federal contracts, and he considers that an undue burden. In reference to that Alabama state law claim, the judge points out that the newly passed law regarding COVID-19 mandates says that if someone believes their request for exemption has been unfairly denied, they must first appeal to administrative law judges who are appointed by the Alabama Secretary of Labor. And since the employees didn't do that, the judge says that their claim in federal court is out of line with state law. Now, that's just the first reason that the judge gave for denying the preliminary injunction today, and he says that while that reason by itself is enough, he did go on to explain how the employees failed to meet 3 other requirements for legal action. He also included an interesting section in the opinion where he points out that COVID-19 has killed more than 750,000 Americans and that the current level of transmission in Morgan County is substantial.